Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips No. 0 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a small container to hold screws. Start by shutting down your laptop and disconnecting all power sources, including the AC adapter. Next, flip the HP 348G5 over and locate the battery latch. Slide the latch to the unlock position and gently remove the battery. Set it aside in a safe place. Now, let's focus on the keyboard. You will need to remove the back cover. Using your Phillips screwdriver, unscrew all the screws located on the back panel. There are typically around 10 screws. Make sure to keep track of them in your small container. Once all screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to carefully pry open the back cover. Start from one corner and work your way around, being cautious not to damage any clips. If you encounter resistance, go back and check for any missed screws. With the back cover off, you will see the internal components of the laptop. To access the keyboard, locate the keyboard ribbon cable connected to the motherboard. Gently lift the connector latch and slide the cable out. If you're unsure about the cable, refer to your laptop's service manual for guidance. Now, remove the screws securing the keyboard. You may find 4 to 6 screws holding it in place. Remove these screws and gently lift the keyboard from the laptop casing. Be cautious here, make sure the keyboard is not stuck to the casing. After removing the keyboard, set it aside and take a moment to clean the area beneath it. Use compressed air to blow out any dust or debris that may have accumulated. Next, if your goal includes replacing the battery, locate the battery compartment within the laptop. Place the new battery into the compartment, ensuring it aligns correctly with the connectors. If you don't have the tools or prefer not to do it yourself, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation and pickup and delivery at your home. This way, you can avoid the hassle of traveling or making calls. Once the new battery is in place, reconnect the keyboard by positioning it back into the slot and securing it with the screws you removed earlier. Reconnect the keyboard ribbon cable, ensuring it is firmly in place before locking the connector latch. Now, replace the back cover by aligning it properly and pressing down until you hear the clips snap into place. Reinsert all screws to secure the back cover firmly. Finally, reinsert the battery and connect the AC adapter. Power on your HP 348G5 to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you need a quote before repair or have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Completing this process will restore your laptop's functionality, allowing you to continue working efficiently. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.